Welcome everyone to the new video on the topic indices. Today we are going to solve the BLE examination questions on the topic indices. It comes in question number 6 always. Okay, let us see the first question. What do we have over here? Find the value of 27 to the power minus 2 by 3. So how will you get the value of 27 to the power 2 minus 3 in question number 1? So first what we have to do is we have to do factorization. What we have to do? Factorization of 27. That comes 3 to the power 3. So let us write that. 3 to the power 3 whole to the power minus 2 upon 3. Now what can we do? We can do something like this. Power's power is multiplied. 3 to the power 3 into minus 2 upon 3. 3 and 3 is going to be cancelled as a numerator and denominator, and at last we will have 3 to the power minus 2, which is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 2. To make it positive we have to do reciprocal, and at last the answer comes 1 by 9. So this is how question number 1 is solved. Now let us see question number 2. In question number 2 we have x to the power a minus b multiplied by x to the power b minus c again multiplied by x to the power c minus a. Now what do we see? We see the same base and in multiplication form, so that is why the powers are added. So a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. Now a positive, a negative cancelled, b negative, b positive cancelled, c negative, c positive cancelled. What do we get over here as a power? We get nothing, that means 0. X to the power 0, that is equal to 1. Coming to question number 3 now. Question number 3, we have x to the power 0 plus 3. We know from the rule of indices, anything to the power 0 that is equal to 1. So 1 plus 3, we will have 4 as an answer. Coming to question number 4. Again we have to do simplification of a to the power x plus 2 divided by a to the power x minus 2. So we have to get the value in question number 4 now. Simplify it. What do we get? So bases are same and they are in division form. So that is why this x and this minus 2 will go on the top. When they will change their place from numerator to denominator, the power sign will change. So a to the power x plus 2 is the numerator one power. Now this x minus 2 will go up. Plus x becomes x, minus 2 becomes plus 2. Now let us see what can we reduce, what can we cut. This is plus x, positive x minus negative x becomes cancel. And then after 2 and 2, that will be a to the power 4. A to the power 4, that is going to be the answer. A to the power 4. This is how it is done. A to the power 4. Now coming to the other questions, yes. Okay. Coming to another question, what do we see? Question number 5. In question number 5, simplify using the laws of indices. x to the power 3 minus 2 divided by x to the power 3m minus 4. Let us do that. So it is in division form, that is why it will be x to the power 3m minus 2 minus 3m plus 4. And the result is going to be x to the power plus 2 minus and plus 4 minus 2. Coming to question number 6 now. In question number 6 we have find the value using this indices law. Very easy. Find the value using laws of indices. 27 by 8. Let us factorize 27. It will come 3 to the power 3, and for 8 we can write 2 to the power 3. Whole to the power 2 by 3 is given over there. Now if 3 and 2 both are having same power, we can write them together by making 3 by 2 whole to the power 3. So these 3 is for the numerator also and for the denominator also, and power we have 2 by 3. 3 and 3 is reduced and we have 3 by 2 to the power 2. That's going to be equal to 3 power 2 gives us 9 and 2 power 2 gives us 4. 9 by 4 is going to be the answer for this question. Similarly now, question number 7, let's see that what is given over there. In question number 7, find the value by using laws of indices. Again, this 27 we can write 3 power 3. This is question number 7. 3 power 3 multiplied by this 9 means 3 powers 2. And already it has got minus 1 as its power. So this can be written like this: 3 power 3 multiplied by powers. Power is multiplied. 3 to the power 2 1 ja 2, plus into minus minus. Now 3 to the power 3, as it is in product form, bases are same, powers are added. But minus 2 is already there in the power. That is why we have to subtract. 3 to the power 3 minus 2 gives us 3 to the power 1. That is equal to 3. This is how question number 7 is solved. Coming to question number 8 now. In question number 8, we have 8x to the power minus 1. So that can be written like 8x minus 1 will become minus x. And this one, 2 to the power 3 into x, that will be written like powers power multiplied 2 to the power 3x. Now 8, the factorization form for 8 is 2 power 3, and that will be multiplied by minus x. Over here we have 2 to the power 3x. Now 2 to the power 3 into 3 multiplied by minus x gives us minus 3x. On the other side we have 2 to the power 3x. Both are having same base. Now the powers can be added. 2 to the power minus 3x plus 2 to the power minus 3x plus 3x. 3x and 3x can be removed, as one is negative, another one is positive. 2 to the power 0, that will be equal to 1. So this is how question number 1 to 8 is solved. Now let us go to question number 9. Question number 9, what do we have? Let's see that. Okay, here we are now in question number 9. X to the power 3 into y to the power minus 2 whole to the power 3. So let us do this one, question number 9 here. So power is multiplied. X to the power 3 multiplied by 3, it will become 9. y to the power minus 2 multiplied by 3 will become y to the power minus 6. Multiply by again minus 2 to the power 4. It means this is minus 2 4 times. If you multiply minus 2 4 times, the result is going to be plus 16. So here we can write 16 and into x to the power minus 2 is going to be multiplied by 4. It's going to be minus 8. Similarly, y to the power 3 powers power multiply 3 4s are 12. Multiply by y to the power 12. Let us find common terms. First we have 16 number that is to be written in first, and after x power 3 and x power 9 and x power minus 8. Bases are same and in multiplication form, that is why powers are added. The minus is already there in the power, that is why that plus into minus it becomes minus. Similarly y and y is over here, so we can write y to the power minus 6 plus 12. At last 16, 9 minus 8, x will be having power 1, and 5 minus 6 plus 12 will give us power 6. So this is going to be the answer for this question, question number 9. Now talking about question number 10. Question number 10, we have, in question number 10, we have what should be the index of x so that the value will be 1 by x power 2. Index means power. What should be the index of x? X should have what power so that the value will be 1 by x power 2. So simply if x will be having minus 2 power, then to make it positive we will send it down and it will become x power 2. So the index for this is minus 2. The power for this will become minus 2. So x will be having its power minus 2, so that from the formula laws of indices it will become 1 by x power 2. Coming to question number 11. Question number 11, what is given? Let's see. Question number 11, similar question over here. What should be the index of x so that its value going to be x power 4? Very easy. Same thing. When you will keep x to the power minus 4, it will go down to become positive. It will become x to 1 by x to the power 4. Okay, let us come down to question number 12. Question number 12. What will be the value of a to the power b? Let us see. A to the power b. Let us substitute the value. For question number 12, a value is minus 3 and the value for b is power 2. So 2 times minus 3 will give us minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9. Plus 9 is going to be the value. Even power, the answer will come in positive. Now question number 13. 13 also we have to find the value of let us find the value of x plus y power 0. Anything to the power 0 will become 1. Again anything to the power 0 will become 1. It's from the laws of indices. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Okay, let us move down to question number 14. Question number 14, we have x is equal to 3 and we have to find out the value of 27 by 3 to the power x. So over here I'll solve question number 14. We have 27 by 3 to the power x. Let us put the value. We can factorize 27 also to its power of 3, factorization form, and 3 to the power, the value of x is given, what it is? 3. Both of them are having same base and division form, that is why their powers will be subtracted. 3 to the power 3 minus 3, that will be 3 to the power 0, and the answer will come 1. Similarly, question number 15, let's see. What will be the value of 3x to the power 0? 3x to the power 0 means 1, plus 4y to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Let us see question number 16. Here also same thing is given, a plus b to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. Let us see question number 17. X to the power 0, it means 1 multiplied by 9. That will give us 9 only. Question number 18, we have x plus y is equal to 0. What will be the value of a plus b to the power x plus y? So we can write like this, a plus b, x plus y. Instead of x plus y, we will put the value which is given over here in condition 0. That is equal to 1. So this is how all the question of indices from question number 1 to 18 is solved.